Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Avery Big Tab Insertable Dividers. Yeah, now these dividers are for anybody that needs to organize files and papers that they've been working on, and say the files are different in the nature of what's on the files, or different dates, different protocols, different notes period, different subject matter, anything. You're going to need to, if you have them in a binder, you're going to need to divide them into sections if you are a person that actually believes in, staying organized. These are good for that. So what would happen is, you see they have these holes at the end here, and this is for your binder, okay? And at the top, you're gonna have this tab here. The large tabs are awesome, okay? I've seen them with little tiny tabs here that I don't like it at all. You don't see them well, and they're hollow on one side. You probably can't see that, but they're hollow right there, so you can slip like a piece of paper or something in there that says the name of what this file represents, what this file is going to hold within it, right? And it's color coded, okay? So say this says something like last year's files or something like that, then you would put all your last year's files, beyond this tab, right? And within this has several different colors to do the same thing for different types of files. So you would have, see, your yellows, your oranges, greens, and you even have a clear one. Yeah, and you would slip something in between all of these, to signify what those folders are going to hold within them. Yeah, so these are really good for organizing. And notice that all of these are kind of staggered. So if you line them up all together, they are all going to be in different areas, different spots, the tab, so you can read them all at the same time. A lot of times you'll see dividers like this, but they'll all be together in the same row, and so one would be covering the other, which is horrible. This way is much better because you can see them all at the same time and just open them up, right, as you need them. Very, very good. Yeah, I've been using dividers for folders ever since I can remember. Even back in college, I was using these. And this Avery kind is the kind I have always used. You get 5 in one set, and they work very well. Now, I think the colors that they supply in the sets are all pretty standard, I think. I don't believe they are like, you can find some other than the colors that you're seeing here, I believe. In my experience, that's what I found. So I don't know if you're going to find any purples or blues or anything like that. That's green. Yeah, so I don't know, but these work very well. I've used Avery dividers for several years now, and they've always done very well by me. There are little tab inserts that you can buy to actually put inside here, or if you just want to cut out paper, a white paper, like even typing paper or anything, and insert in these holders here, you can do that too. It works just as well. But yeah, these are very good. And if you need more tabs, you have a really big wide folder, you can just get another set and put that in your binder, and it'll work the same way. you'll be good to go and ready to, organize all your paperwork and, file all your stuff away. These are really good. And Avery is a good brand to use for that. All right. Okay, guys. Well, what we've been talking about is the Avery Big Tab Insertable Dividers. Well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay, bye-bye.